So Survey Mechanics is a really interesting tool that we've come across based on a recommendation from Abrion. We struggled with finding a decent feature-rich survey tool that we could use for a number of elements of the business, from trying to find out from our customers how they found our events went, to even asking them around how they think our event should be created and what topics should appear. We used to use Dot Digital, their survey tool, but we found that a lot of the questions and the way that those questions could be answered were very limited and very constrained. And so what we like around Survey Mechanics is that we're able to ask a question in a number of different ways, which ultimately allows us to delve deeper into those responses and further act on those. One of the things that we've recently been made aware of is that we can now integrate Survey Mechanics with our CRM system, Maximizer, and as of yet we haven't done so, but it's something that we think will be hugely beneficial to us going forward, and again remove a lot of that manual work. Often that data is lost because we don't have a way of uploading or importing that into our CRM system. And so when we are looking at our customers and trying to find out what interests they have or how relevant our events or our email marketing will be to them, we just don't have that information available to us because it's in a different system, a different tool, and therefore we forget that it's there. So having the integration, I think, will really allow us to delve a lot deeper into our customers and fully understand them.